Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build some cardboard boxes using Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's jump right on in with a 2x2 brick. I'm going to take several 1x1 by 2/3 slopes. We're going to place these in such a way that the larger portion is in towards the center. And I'm going to alternate these. It's going to look like open flaps on a box. Place this one like that. Now if you want to make a closed box, just take a 2x2 brick and a 2x2 jumper plate, place the jumper plate on top, and we could just simply set this right inside the tube of the top box. Now you can obviously change the flaps on how you want them, so I'm going to take another 2x2 brick and I'm going to place these like so. Now if you have a 1x2 by 2/3 slope, you can use that as well. So you can make a box like that. Now you don't have to use bricks, you can also use plates. I'm just going to take a 2x2 plate and place some more 1x1 by 2/3 slopes. You can do them like this box, or we can alternate these. And it's okay if they're a little crooked, it just makes the box look a little bit more rugged. So we have another one of those. We can even take a dark tan brick and we can make another box. So just place some more 1x1 slopes. These will be your best friend when making boxes. Put those on like that. Looks like someone's packing up or moving. Now you don't have to use just 2x2s, you can also use a 1x2. So I'm just going to take a 1x2 brick, place these slopes on like so, where they're facing one another. We can just make that. Or I can just take a 1x2 brick and a 1x2 jumper plate and place that on like so. Then I can set the little stub inside the tube of the jumper plate. The same thing with smaller boxes. You can just take a 1x2 plate and a set of 1x1 slopes and just place those down to make the box look like it's partially opened. Now this does work for larger boxes, so I'm going to take a 2x3. I'm going to take several 1x2 by 2/3 slopes. I'm going to place these on opposing corners, and I'm going to take some 1x1 by 2/3 slopes, place these on like so. It's almost the same as one of these boxes, except this one's a bit larger. The same thing goes for a 2x4 brick, but this time we're just going to use 4 1x2 by 2/3 slopes. Place these two like so, and just place these on the sides. And let's make a closed box. I'm just going to take a 2x4 brick and set down a 2x2 jumper plate and a set of 1x2 flat tiles. Flat tiles are going to help smooth off the ends. Then I can just set this on like so. This looks pretty cool. It's nice clutter for a Lego house, like an attic or a garage. So I can even set the smaller box on here too. And just leave everything a bit sloppy. It's okay to get sloppy with this one. And as you can see, got a lot of boxes here. It's a great way to fill in a empty space in your Lego garage or attic. Just adds a bit more character and clutter. Hope this tutorial helped everyone out.